ऐसा है कि दो चीज बताऊंगा इस फिल्म में। एक तो कहानी है जो मेरे हिसाब से एक बड़े मॉडर्न श्रवण कुमार जी की जो कहानी थी, जो अपने माँ बाप को लेकर 4 धाम की यात्रा कराई थी उन्होंने, वह इस जो एक पिक्चर का जो फ्लेवर है वो एक मॉडर्न डे श्रवण कुमार जी हैं, वो जो मेरे दाएं पे बैठे हैं। मैंने अमित जी के साथ 5 पिक्चरें की हैं, बहुत मजा आया उनके साथ, बड़ी एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म की थी। और आज उम्मीद करता हूं कि उनके सपुत्र के साथ मैं भी आपके सामने ऐसी ही एक एंटरटेनमेंट फिल्म पेश करूं जैसे हमने आया नहीं।
देखिए कहानी जो है, there has to be an arc, there has to be a growth of a character. जब ये फिल्म शुरू होती है, everybody has problems. मेरा इनके साथ प्रॉब्लम है, इनका मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम है, इनका इनके साथ प्रॉब्लम है, इनका मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम है. Through the movie how things change. ये कहानी है, जैसे उमेश ने आपसे पहले कहा था. So I think the movie starts off as a very selfish person, and by the end of it, hopefully, he redeems himself. हर कोई जो इस फिल्म को देखने जाएगा, I think once they come out, they'll question themselves. I remember telling Umesh the first time he narrated the film to me that the first thing I did when I heard the script is actually went back and hugged my parents. कुछ ऐसे ही भावनाएं हैं इस फिल्म में, and I hope that's what the audience can do as well. It makes you realize, I'm sure for Chintu uncle and Supriya ji, they had a different emotion and a different journey, but from, I can speak for us, and if I may, as children, it really makes you question what all we are doing for our parents. आज के माहौल में I feel there's so much competition, भाग दौड़ इतनी हो गई है कि we forget the small gestures, just going back, spending time with your parents, उनके साथ बातचीत करें, खाना खाएं. We forget these things in today's generation, and I really hope that after seeing this film, we can make a change in that.
You all must have seen the motion poster of All Is Well. It's been a journey, and a beautiful one, I must say, with all of these lovely people here. So I think we're here at the best part of the journey, where we bring our film to you, and I hope that all is well. And it's been great for me working with everybody, Umesh sir, Rishi uncle, Abhishek again, Abhishek sir again, Supriya ma'am. I mean, it's been lovely, the producers, so it's a happy, yes, that's what Abhishek calls me, Baby Asan. So yeah, well, we hope that you like it, what we have to offer.
My family in the film, as Abhishek was just saying, that the children will learn from this film. I think the parents will also learn that how many things we do wrong, and we should not take our children for granted. So that's something that we as parents will take back. As per your question of Shahid's marriage, there is lots of things happening, but it's like a normal wedding house, I suppose.
बाहर नहीं होगा, पर हल्के फुल्के तरीके से एक अच्छा मैसेज तो हम ज़रूर देंगे इस फिल्म के द्वारा कि इसका जो बचपन होता है वो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है पेरेंट्स के लिए. अगर पेरेंट्स उनके सामने कुछ ड्रामा या कुछ ज़्यादा बहस करे तो उनका असर बच्चों पर क्या पड़ता है. झगड़े अगर ज़्यादा हो जाए, हाथापाई पे उतर जाती है बात, तो कौन से लेवल पे बात जाती है और बच्चा कितना कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है आगे जाके. पर हम लोगों ने यही चीज़ को बहुत ही ह्यूमरस वे में ट्रीट किया हुआ है. अच्छी बात है, पर मैसेज है, पर मैसेज हिलेरियस कॉमेडी वे में किया हुआ है.
During this journey, at one point obviously we get hungry, so we stop off at a dhaba where the very beautiful Sonakshi is performing, and we cannot control ourselves. And Chintu uncle and I try and dance with her, but she's fantastic.
I'm on the food, he's on the floor.
But it was a lot of fun. It's a great track, and the song with Sonakshi is very nice. There are many other tracks in the film which are brilliant. So I think entirely the whole thing was a lot of fun, not just that one song. All the music was great fun.
In any instance, जब आपके और मिस्टर बच्चन के बीच में कभी differences हुए हो?
No. क्योंकि वो मुझे बेटा मानते ही नहीं है. He treats me like his friend. उन्होंने मुझे बचपन में ये सिखाया था कि उनके जो पिताजी थे, उन्होंने जो मेरे दादाजी हैं, उन्होंने उनसे कहा था कि जिस दिन आपके बेटे आपके जूते पहनना शुरू कर दे, He stops being your son and he becomes your friend. And ever since I think I was 10 or 11, I started wearing my dad's shoes. So no, he never disagrees. He's very supporting. So no, we haven't had any disagreement.
ऋषि जी, you with regards to रणबीर, कभी हुआ है ऐसा कुछ?
Have you ever disagreed with Ranbir?
I've never agreed only.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.